In this video, I will show you how to short on Kraken. So to do this, you will need to use Kraken Pro, which comes at no additional cost and you will get lower fees. So on Kraken in the top right, go right here and click Kraken Pro. Now from within Kraken Pro, you can use margin trading by borrowing assets to sell or trade derivatives on Kraken derivatives by placing a sell or short order on future contracts. So to use this, just go to trade right here and find the currency you want to short. For example, if I want to short Bitcoin, I just go right here. Then from there, you want to click on sell. Now you don't even need to own any of this cryptocurrency in order to margin short it. So I actually own some Bitcoins. I'll just select a currency I do not own, which in this account, for example, is Dogecoin. So I'll select Dogecoin. So here go to sell. And then you need to turn on margin, so you can have 10x margin. And now here you can choose your portfolio leverage. So for example, if you have 100 euros in your portfolio with 10x leverage, you can do 1000 euros, or in this case dollars, so 1173. And I can use this amount of money that I have in my account to short Dogecoin, even though I don't own any of it. So basically then if it goes down 1%, then my position gains 10% since I'm using 10x leverage. But if it goes up 1%, then my portfolio loses 10%. So of course you don't want to use your entire portfolio, but you can just use, for example, 10%. I would also recommend setting a take profit and stop loss, so you don't wipe out your entire portfolio if it goes up or down very quickly. But basically you can short on Kraken by setting a sell order with margin. If this video on how to short on Kraken was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.